One of the very convenient new features in Adobe Photoshop is that you can import images directly from your iPhone or your iPad right from Adobe Photoshop, and that feature is only exclusive to Mac computers. So all you need to do is to connect your iPad or your iPhone to your computer using your USB cable. Then you need to go to File, Import, Images from Device. Then you should see your device in here, either your iPhone or iPad. And once you unlock your phone, you should see your images in here. You can select your desired images to download, and you can select your downloading folder, and whether you would like to create a new Photoshop document or you would like to create that image into a new layer. Then you can select to download. And once you download that image to your computer, that one also will open in Photoshop right away.